Ladies and gentlemen, let us install Leiningen, which is a build and run tool for Clojure. It can do a lot of cool stuff again. We can build the jar file. It can also run the application, and it's for if you're using Linux, then of course you just say sudo apt install and then Leiningen, and then it's installed, and then you have this cool Clojure tool. But what about Windows? What do we do on Windows? We can use two approaches. One is scoop right here. You just use scoop install and then Leiningen. It is right here. It's in the main bucket, so you don't have to add any extra bucket. You just run scoop install main Leiningen, and then you get Leiningen installed. Quite simple. You can also use chocolatey. If you prefer chocolatey, then you just install it with that. It has the same name, Leiningen again, and then you can install it with chocolatey. So let us just do that. So I'm using git bash, so that's my preferred one right here. So, and let's just clear this screen right here. So I say scoop install Leiningen. It is already installed, and yes, and I can update it with scoop also. Scoop is definitely the easiest tool to use, also for IntelliJ or WebStorm or whatever. You don't have to mind about all. You don't have to type in a lot of weird questions that you're getting all the time. Of course, if you need to install in a custom location, then of course scoop is not good. But you don't want to do that by Leiningen. You just want it has a jar file that it will place in your computer, and yeah, just let it place that the default in the default folder. And then what you can test it by writing lane, and then there's help if you want to get some help. And yeah, so here we have all of it. We can upgrade Leiningen if you want to. So we can say lane upgrade. We can also run the version. It will be upgraded to the latest stable version. Do you want to continue? Yes, I would want to do that. And what else can you do? We can also search for artifacts. We can run REPL. REPL is quite fun, so let us run that actually. So we'll lane REPL. And now we have our terminal where we can print out stuff in the terminal right here. So then I can write something like print line hello. And print line hello. Okay, I need to print line hello in brackets. Let's see what happens now. Nothing happens. Maybe I made a mistake. It might be so. And actually, also what we want to do is, so we have print line. It should be fine. Print line. Do I need to add? Okay, I'm going to exit this REPL right here because I also have IntelliJ. I've made another video on how to get Clojure to work with IntelliJ and also Leiningen. And the short story is that you need a plugin. So